New fun changes are coming to Deb's Decorative Life, and I am here to tell you why. And I realize this video may be very dark. I'm sorry about that. I've got the lights on, but it's just not quite working today. So bear with me, please. Thank you for joining me. You are in the kitchen with Deb, and I am your personal kitchen consultant. And now, I am so happy to reveal to you the new changes that are coming to your home, your kitchen, and to keep you less stressed. I've gotten loads of DMs from people in my group and on my personal profile page on Facebook asking me for help in the kitchens, but also in other areas of the house. And I've helped you guys with that. You guys want me to go, are asking me to move into other areas, and I'm going to do that for you. I've heard your concerns, your frustrations in the PMs you've sent me. And you also told me you want more help in the home. And what better time than to give you the more help in the home? Right before the holidays, right before Thanksgiving, right before Christmas, when we're running around stressed and we've got the kids, family, the kids are going off school on Christmas break and all this, and Thanksgiving break. And you're running around trying to get the food menu done, the baking done, clean the house, get ready for company, or go out of town to see your in-laws, whatever it may be. I am going to be talking more about organizing and decluttering your closets, your office, and your craft rooms. I want you to be able to find those papers in your office. Your office will be more organized. You're gonna be less overwhelmed. The office should be calming, serene, inviting. It should be pretty and relaxing, where you want to start your day at work with a nice fresh cup of coffee when you walk in and just calmly start your day. And now with your closets, I know you want them to look aesthetically pleasing. You want them to be easy to find, easy to sort. And when you want to wear your favorite top, you want to be able to find it. We're going to go into the closets too. We're also going into the craft room. We're going to make it more organized, more mainstream, pretty, decluttered, but organized. We're going to have sections for better flow for your different projects, whether it be sewing, crafting, embroidery, whatever it is. Now, with that being said, today in my group, we're going to start the most used and least used utensil challenge. We're going to get that done. It's a 2-day challenge. You're devoting 15 minutes during those 2 days or anytime during the week, because I understand you've got family and errands to do and things happen. I get it. And I'm going to help you with decluttering. We're going to talk about organizing. I'm going to give you organizing ideas. It's not too late. You could still join the group. Hey, busy homemaker. I'm going to end this off here, but I'm going to thank you for your time. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. And I will see you in the group. And we will be talking more about closets, offices, and your craft room.